Welcome back to this lecture on content marketing for SEO. In this lecture, we will be discussing how to use content marketing to improve search engine optimization, SEO. First, let's define SEO and explain its importance in digital marketing. SEO refers to the practice of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. When a website ranks well in search results, it is more likely to attract organic traffic from users searching for relevant keywords. This can lead to increased brand awareness, website traffic, and ultimately, conversions and revenue. But what is the concept of using content marketing as a means of improving SEO? Content marketing is the creation and distribution of valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. When done effectively, content marketing can help improve SEO in several ways as below: understanding search engines and the role of keywords. On-page optimization techniques for content marketing. Off-page optimization techniques for content marketing, measuring the effectiveness of content marketing for SEO. First, let's talk about understanding search engines and the role of keywords. Search engines use algorithms to crawl and index websites and to rank them in search results based on their relevance and authority. Keywords are an important factor in this process, as they help search engines understand what a web page is about. Keyword research involves identifying the words and phrases that users are searching for and using them in the content to signal to search engines what the web page is about. There are different types of keywords, such as short-tail keywords, which are general and highly competitive, and long-tail keywords, which are more specific and less competitive. LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords, are related terms that can also help signal the relevance of a web page. Next, let's discuss on-page optimization techniques for content marketing. On-page optimization refers to the optimization of individual web pages in order to rank higher in search engine results and earn more relevant traffic. Some key on-page optimization techniques for content marketing include optimizing page titles, URLs, and header tags. Page titles should be descriptive and accurately reflect the content on the page, and should include relevant keywords. URLs should also be descriptive and include relevant keywords. Header tags H1, H2, etc. help to structure the content and signal the hierarchy of information on the page. Meta descriptions are short summaries of the content that appear in search results and should include relevant keywords and entice users to click through to the page. Alt text is used to describe images and other media and help search engines understand what the media is about. Off-page optimization techniques for content marketing include building backlinks and improving the website's presence on social media. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website, and they can help improve the authority and relevance of your website in the eyes of search engines. High-quality backlinks are an important factor in SEO, and content marketing can be used to acquire them through guest blogging, infographics, and other forms of valuable content. Social media is another important factor in SEO, as it can help build an online presence and improve the website's visibility in search results. Measuring the effectiveness of content marketing for SEO involves tracking relevant metrics and analyzing data to identify areas for improvement. Some metrics to consider include organic traffic, search engine rankings, and conversions. Tools such as Google Analytics and Search Console can be used to track and analyze this data. There are also advanced strategies for using content marketing for SEO, such as technical SEO and schema markup. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of the technical aspects of a website, such as the site speed, mobile optimization, and crawlability, to improve its ranking in search results. Schema markup is a standardized format for providing information about a web page to search engines, and can be used to enhance the way the web page is displayed in search results. In order to ensure the success of content marketing efforts on SEO, it is important to align content marketing and SEO goals and objectives, and to integrate SEO considerations into the content creation and distribution process. This includes conducting keyword research, optimizing on-page elements, building backlinks, and tracking and analyzing data to identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, SEO is an important aspect of content marketing that can help to increase website traffic and improve search engine rankings. By conducting keyword research, optimizing on-page elements, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks and social signals, you can improve your SEO and drive more targeted traffic to your website. It is also important to measure and analyze the effectiveness of your SEO efforts, and to continuously optimize and improve your content marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me for this lecture on content marketing for SEO.